Sometimes you're already thinking about your finances without planning to, like when a notification pops up, or you wonder how your credit looks before a big purchase. And that's where the TransUnion app quietly fits into daily life, because it turns credit monitoring into something you can check as casually as your email. It doesn't feel like a heavy financial tool at first, and as you scroll through it, the information is organized in a way that connects your score, alerts, and reports together. So instead of guessing where you stand, you see a clearer picture forming while you move from one section to another. The app is built around awareness, and that links directly to control, because when you can see changes in your credit activity, you're less likely to be surprised by them later. And while that sounds serious, the layout tries to keep things simple. Your dashboard usually shows your credit score and recent updates, and those updates connect to detailed insights that explain what might be affecting your score, so one tap leads into another layer of understanding. As you explore, you'll notice sections for credit reports, monitoring, and alerts, and those pieces bridge together into a system that keeps you informed without needing constant effort. Another useful part is the educational content inside the app, because it explains credit factors in simpler terms, and that bridges the gap between seeing a number and actually understanding it. Instead of just showing data, the app often gives context, and that context helps users make smarter decisions, whether they're planning a loan, a card application, or just improving their score gradually. The support section is there too, so if something looks unfamiliar, you can find guidance without leaving the app, and that keeps the experience contained in one place. Over time, checking the app can become a small habit, like glancing at the weather, because your score, alerts, and updates are already organized for you, and that routine builds quiet confidence since you're not left in the dark about your credit. Then you might open it just to double-check something, and that quick check turns into a better understanding of where you stand financially. And the thought sort of drifts from one plan to the next, and you realize you've been more in control than you expected. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.